Unfortunately, we got the 90s on the way, Faith, and yesterday it was in the 80s in Greenville and Greenwood, topping out at 87. It was a warm day, plenty of sunshine, no precipitation. We could have a little bit of precip today, but not a whole lot. Most of the shower activity going to stay into Louisiana and Arkansas. And for the rest of the country, it's actually pretty quiet, very warm all the way up to the Canadian border. Not a whole lot going on to our west. And taking a look at the satellite and radar, just some cloud cover moving in. You can see these showers moving across southern Mississippi, northeastern Louisiana, even into the Delta. And zooming in just a bit, some light to moderate showers moving through Chico and Washington County. Again, some of this not even hitting the ground, but we do have some of those showers actually reaching the ground, and that cloud cover starting to move in, and temperatures already on the rise. 77 here in Greenville, winds out of the east at 7 miles per hour. As for Greenwood, 72 degrees, so just a little bit cooler, but everyone warming into the 70s this morning along I-20 from Meridian to Vicksburg, low to mid 70s, still in the lower 70s to upper 60s from Pine Bluff down to El Dorado. Monroe at 72, 73 in Clarksdale, so it's warming up quickly. And taking a look at your trend for the week ahead, temperatures pretty much going to be near 90 or well into the 90s each and every day. So again, it's almost like a summertime pattern has arrived here in the Delta. But for today, not a whole lot going on. Most of the shower activity going to stay to our south and west. However, a few isolated showers will be possible, maybe even a thunderstorm or two. But tomorrow is going to be a better chance of rain, more moisture to work with, and pretty much anyone across the state of Mississippi, including the Delta, will have a chance of some afternoon thunderstorms and showers. Again, not expecting any severe weather, but some of the storms could be stronger than others with gusty winds. And then Thursday, during daytime heating, we do it all over again. That warm air rises, and we're going to see those heavy showers form. So again, chances of rain will be up through the middle of the week, so be sure that you have your umbrella on standby. Now, we also have some trouble in the tropics down in the Bay of Campeche in the southern Gulf of Mexico. And yesterday was the official start of the hurricane season. And now it looks like we may have Cristobal, which is the third named storm of the year. And that will be the earliest we've ever had this many storms, only 2 days in. So it'll be interesting to see when this becomes a tropical storm, because it likely will. It's going to meander just off the coast of the Central Americas and portions of Mexico, and then gradually move into the Gulf of Mexico. And by Sunday, expected to be a pretty strong tropical storm. So it's going to be very interesting what this does. And taking a look at the spaghetti plots, which is just a compilation of many models, they all have one thing in common. They kind of meander for a little while before all moving back into the northern Gulf of Mexico towards places like Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida. So if you live along the Gulf Coast or have friends or family who do, make sure they're aware of this. Definitely going to have to watch it very closely. It's too early for any impacts or how strong this will be, but definitely going to be an impactful storm if it does move in this general direction, which it likely will. As for the Mississippi River, currently rising, looking to crest around 48 feet, which is right at that minor flood stage level through Sunday, but fortunately long-term trend has it coming back down. Now for today, 91, a mix of sun and clouds, some isolated thunderstorms, temperatures in the 90s, topping out at 90 in Belzona, 90 in Cleveland, and 91 in Greenwood. Tonight, mostly cloudy, calm, lows of 72, very warm tomorrow morning. Notice area-wide, we're going to be in the lower 70s. As for tomorrow, highs of 90, more clouds and sun, some thunderstorms in the afternoon. Whoa, Faith got a hiccup. And then for the rest of the week, temperatures in the 90 with some more thunderstorms heading into the weekend, and maybe widespread rain Monday as that tropical system approaches. But again, I got to show this, Faith. Really like this photo. Showed it earlier in the show, but thank you, Rita Clay. Very nice by the levee.